In the still moments of self-reflection, where we cradle our own vulnerabilities and confront our shadows, we encounter the most authentic form of bravery. Imagine staring into a mirror, not just seeing your reflection, but truly witnessing the depths of your soul, the mosaic of strength and frailties, the light and the scars. This compelling, often daunting visualization is the essence of discovering your inner strengths. Self-awareness is the cornerstone of personal development. It's an inward journey that beckons us to question, understand, and accept the complexities of our personality. By engaging in self-reflection, we not only unearth the aspects of ourselves that need nurturing, but also discover the inherent strengths that lay dormant, waiting to be acknowledged and expressed. As metaphorical as it might sound, envisioning your mind as a landscape filled with various terrains, mountainous highs, serene plains, and shadowed valleys, helps in understanding the dynamics of personal growth. The goal is not to flatten this landscape into a monotonous plain, but to appreciate its unique topography and learn to navigate it proficiently. In embracing this landscape, we begin to see how our history, beliefs, successes, and failures shape our present self. This awareness fosters an empathetic approach to self-improvement and fortifies our resolve to become the best versions of ourselves. Every person harbors traits they are not proud of: anger, jealousy, fear, or doubt. These are often aspects we try to hide or suppress, yet they are as integral to our identity as our virtues. Engaging with these traits rather than shunning them provides profound insights into our deepest yearnings and unresolved conflicts, serving as pivotal points for growth and enlightenment. Recognizing these darker elements within us can be uncomfortable, yet it is through this discomfort that true growth can occur. When we understand and integrate our shadows, we prevent them from controlling our actions unknowingly and allow ourselves to make more conscious choices about who we want to be. The process involves a compassionate inquiry into why these traits exist and how they can be transformed into lessons or strengths. This transformation not only lightens our internal load, but also deepens our human experience, making us more relatable and compassionate towards others who struggle with their own shadows. While it is crucial to acknowledge our shadows, it is equally important to celebrate our positive traits. These are the qualities that inspire confidence, foster connectivity, and propel us forward in life. Identifying and nurturing these traits can amplify our sense of well-being and motivate us to pursue our goals with vigor. Imagine your positive traits as rays of sunlight breaking through a cloudy sky, the moments of warmth and clarity amidst the uncertainties of life. By focusing on these moments, not only do we enhance our personal joy and satisfaction, but we also become a beacon of inspiration and strength for others. This celebration involves more than just acknowledgement. It requires active cultivation. Whether it's through deliberate practice, seeking environments that foster our strengths, or surrounding ourselves with people who uplift us, nurturing our positive traits is an ongoing, rewarding endeavor that enhances our overall resilience. The wisdom of those who came before us holds invaluable lessons on resilience and strength. From ancestral stories to cultural traditions, our past is replete with examples of overcoming adversity and embracing personal growth. Engaging with these lessons can illuminate paths that may have remained obscured, guiding us through similar challenges. Just as a tree grows strong and expansive, rooted in the nourishment of its past, so too can we draw strength from our ancestral wisdom. This can manifest in various forms: listening to family stories, studying historical figures, or embracing cultural rituals that connect us to a larger narrative of survival and transformation. This connection not only enriches our sense of identity, but also provides a framework for understanding our own struggles in a broader historical and cultural context, offering insights and strategies that have been refined through generations. Lifelong learning is an essential component of personal empowerment. In a world that is constantly evolving, Maintaining a posture of openness and curiosity towards new information and experiences is vital for continuous growth. This involves formal education, self-directed learning, and experiential learning, all of which contribute to a more holistic understanding of ourselves and the world. Education in this sense is not confined to traditional schooling, but extends to every experience and interaction that offers insights and perspectives that challenge and refine our understanding of ourselves. It supports our journey of self-discovery, equipping us with tools to navigate complexities and ambiguities with greater confidence and resilience. Moreover, it fosters adaptability, an increasingly crucial trait in navigating life's unpredictable challenges, by continually expanding our cognitive and emotional bandwidth to accommodate new realities and possibilities. Embarking on a journey of self-discovery involves practical steps that facilitate deeper introspection and engagement with our inner selves. Techniques such as journaling, meditation, therapy, and creative expression can be extremely transformative, providing platforms to explore and express our thoughts and emotions freely. These practices allow us to slow down and engage with our thoughts and feelings without judgment, creating a reflective space where insights can surface and be examined. Journaling, for example, helps in articulating experiences and emotions, providing a clearer picture of our inner state and patterns that might otherwise remain obscured. Similarly, therapeutic practices, whether through professional counseling or supportive communal settings, can offer guidance and frameworks to navigate our complexities, encouraging growth and healing in the process. Real-life examples of personal growth through self-awareness provide powerful testimony to the potential within each of us to transcend our limitations and redefine our narratives. These stories of resilience underscore the transformative power of embracing our full selves, shadows and light, and the remarkable changes that can unfold as a result. By sharing these narratives, we not only gain insights into the myriad paths of personal growth, but also foster a sense of community and support that can be motivational for others on similar journeys. These stories remind us that transformation is not only possible, but is continually occurring around us, providing both inspiration and practical lessons in navigating the complexities of personal change. Each story, unique in its context and journey, enriches our understanding of human resilience and the profound impact of self-awareness and dedication to personal growth. As we continue to traverse the landscape of our lives, equipped with a deeper understanding of our strengths, weaknesses, and the continuous nature of learning, we are better prepared to face future challenges with grace and resilience. The journey of self-improvement does not end. It evolves, embracing new knowledge, experiences, and insights that continue to shape our understanding and approach to life. The notion of looking forward emphasizes not just a readiness, but an eagerness to apply what we've learned about ourselves and from others to our future aspirations and challenges. It instills a proactive approach to life, where personal growth is viewed not as a remedial task, but as a vital component of living a full, vibrant life. A life where challenges are met with the strength of self-knowledge and the wisdom of continuous learning. In this way, the journey of discovering and refining our inner strengths becomes a lifelong commitment to becoming not just better individuals, but also contributors to a healthier, more compassionate society.